Emmett, Michigan. Hey guys, it's a CN westbound. There's a CN M497 westbound train coming in Emmett, Michigan. That signal up there is red, and the signal behind me is green, red. It's the same train we saw come out of the tunnel earlier. Now it's coming west towards through Emmett, Michigan. Yep. Sorry, it's just cold. Coming. It's gonna be real long, I bet. It's not going very fast, I can't tell. Could be, I don't know. Here it comes. Emmett, Michigan. When it gets closer, we'll get the gate box up too. Getting close now. I think it might be coming a little fast. It's not too fast, you know. But it's coming pretty quick. Here it comes. When it gets closer, I'll get the gate. I have to keep an eye on the gate too. Is it recording? Yep. Recording, yep. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going extremely fast like the first one was. The second one, sorry. Eastbound. This one's a westbound, so it's not going too fast. Let's get the gates. Coming. See, there's a green red signal up there for it. There it comes. There it comes. Emmett, Michigan. There goes the gates in a minute. There we go. Emmett, Michigan. It's coming pretty quick. Not too fast. Here it comes. Hurry up. Go fast! Yep, CN M497 westbound train. Sorry. I just have to watch the camera. Back out. Whoa! Oh, here comes again. There he goes. Emmett, Michigan. That's cold. My hands are hurting. Alright. Emmett, Michigan. Bye, Emmett, Michigan.